How's everybody doing? Spike here. I'm gonna sell my Jayco. My health does not let me use it, and it's just going to waste. And somebody needs to go out and enjoy it this summer. So, Jayco Jayflight, 29 bunkhouse. Basement's down here. Got storage under it. I'm gonna give you the leveler jack to go with it. Um, Stairs going in, doorway. Here's the sign on the front. Tells you what it is. Jayco Jayflight, 29-foot bunkhouse. We had a storm come up and it got the awning. So let me show you that, because this is what I'm going to show you, good, bad, and ugly. So there's the awning where it tore off, and it just needs to be new awning material and clamp it right back on, because it was just taken off after the material broke. So yeah, we can do that. It's got old tires. I can promise you that. They're old. They need to be replaced. I would not go on the road with these tires. So do not do it. I'll sell it to you to take it home, but do not go anywhere on the road on a trip with this RV. We used it here at home, lived in it here when our house caught on fire. So that's the reason that I have it now. So coming in the door, you got a kitchen straight in the door as you come in. So we're going to start in there. We'll bring you into the kitchen and show you what's going on there. We've got a nice little cabinet right as you come in the door here. Nice storage in it. So let me close this door up right quick. Keep the air conditioning in here. And latch the door so the grandkids don't come in. Stainless steel, double sink. Got 3 drawers here. Got a little area here you can store your stuff in, right along in here. 2 cabinets there. Cabinet under the stove. Got a stove, an oven, 3 burners. That light over there, that's the electric water heater on, and it does have gas water heater and electric. You can run both or one or the other. Vent hood, microwave works. It's got cabinets over the stove here, here, and here. Refrigerator's right there. Got a drawer that I keep a bunch of extra light bulbs and things, and well, there's all your original Jayco paperwork and everything, anything I've ever put in it. Extra light bulbs. Refrigerator, pretty nice and clean. I think you'd be impressed with that. And it's nice and cold. See the little frosties on the thing back here? And I can say the same thing for up here in the freezer. It's got little frosties in it, so it's doing its job. The air conditioner is right here in the ceiling. The controls are right there for it, and it's blowing nice cool air. And it comes out the ducts all through the house, through the building. So your return goes in here, keep its filter clean, and it comes out all the ducts in all the rooms. So let me step back again. Here's that cabinet as you come in the front door. Here's the table. It has 2 cabinets above it. The table makes down into a bed. The top goes down and makes a bed. On this side, you have a sofa that jackknifes and makes a bed. There's 2 cabinets above it, and also a radio CD player. Let me get y'all in, let y'all see a little bit around, see what's going on here. I want you to see things as we go through. Okay, we're going back toward the bathroom. First, we're going to check out this closet here. I've got a linen closet here, coat closet, whatever it is in the hallway here. There's your electrical panel. All your breakers and stuff are inside. But here's your nice big coat closet in here. We got our vacuum cleaner sitting up in it. And it'll hold quite a few clothes. On this side, the curtains are in the house being washed. They're coming back out in a little bit here. But there's a bunk up top and a bunk on the bottom, and then storage all the way back underneath there. So yeah, you got bunk, storage. And then we can go to that most important room a lot of people like to make sure is here and everything works in, and that'd be the toilet room there. So there's the toilet, and there's your sink and your tub. Skylight above it. Get a little look around the ceiling in this room. Here's your vent fan that I've got a cover in to keep the heat out of. And there is air conditioning duct in the bathroom too. Shower curtain is down being washed. It'll be back in there. You got cabinets and drawers here for stuff. Drawers under the tear, and here you got a place for you dump down here to drop your water out and drain it at the end of the season. And all the lights and everything are all in through here working. So yep, there's that part. So let me take you back this way. Let's head for the bedroom, guys. I think I've showed you this end of it. So let's mosey back in here and I'll show you the bedroom area. And what we got is a queen size RV bed. Cabinet on this side and cabinet across the top and cabinet over there. Now, there's a piece of trim missing in places. There's a hole in the wall here where there was a TV mounted on this wall. And so, yeah, that's something somebody can deal with. It's not big, but just, just somebody will probably put a TV right back on the wall. That's the reason it's there. And that mount over there was for a little DVD player so you could watch your movies and stuff. But yeah, it's got a little privacy curtain here for this. And you got carpet in the bedroom. And the floors are all pretty good shape. And the vinyls are real good shape. Carpet is decent. It's not stained up real bad anywhere. I mean, it's 2003. I mean, just don't expect it. We did replace the mattress. It's got a memory foam mattress in it. There's a mattress topper that's laying on top. Curtains and lights under here. And now I'm going to show you, is you see that ceiling right there, that little buckle in it? And you see that bigger buckle in it right there? And you see the water stains there and where they got to this nightstand right here? Okay. That leak happened 2 years ago. I caught it and I fixed it up on top. And it's been fixed and hadn't leaked a drop since. But it did mess up that nightstand and this ceiling in here. And I have not got to fixing it back. And somebody could really do it if they wanted to. But they've been several ideas about how to fix it. We just haven't come up with the perfect one yet. But there's a 5-gallon jug of roof sealer in there. And a roller. And a roller pan. And all somebody's got to do is get up there, wash the roof off, and put that new sealer on. But my health won't allow it. So somebody else can do that project. But yeah, like I say, one side of this room is perfect. And you got a little place over there on that side. And the roof is not leaking now. Like I say, it hadn't leaked in 2 years. But there was a seam on that front seam that come loose. And I fixed it and screwed it back down and put new sealing on it. And it's been good since. So, guys, that's what it is. It's just honest, straight up. Why don't I just show you exactly what's here, and that way you don't have to come look at it and say, well, it wasn't what I expected, because I want you to know exactly what you're looking at, okay? So there's the extent of the water damage on this one ceiling, and it's a few puckers here and there basically from this light over to that corner. It's got a little pucker here and there. So other than that, I think there's a piece of trim missing on the wall right here behind me, and there's a piece of trim missing in the bathroom in one corner. And other than that, I think it's in pretty good shape for a 2003, guys. So somebody wants to come look at it and put some money on it and buy it, I can sure get it out of my way, because I'm not going to be using it with my health right now. So guys, let me know if you're interested, and you get to see an absolute view and know exactly what's here. And that's what I'll show you. I'm going to walk outside and see if I can get one more view of the outside of it right quick before I shut this video off, so I don't have to do any kind of editing or anything. I can just have it all in one, okay? So let me get you outside and back up from it so you get a nice view from here. And so there you are right there. Jayco Jayflight 29 Bunkhouse. We'll take you around on this side. Look down the side that way. The batteries are inside the house. I'm recharging them now, so we'll see if they're going to be good, but I wouldn't bank on them. So, I mean, it's going to be honest with you. It's got two 30-gallon propane tanks. Here's your hot water heater right here on the outside. That's the back of your refrigerator. That vent over the refrigerator here, over the stove vent, could probably use, probably time to put one of them on it. Water connections right here. Like I say, don't depend on these tires, guys. I wouldn't do it. It's got a extra Blue Boy tank. I'm gonna get away with it. Give somebody that buys it, because I don't have a use for it if I don't have a camper. Electrical outlet cords, water hoses, everything that goes with it. And now this jack right here, that's my jack, and this thing's off the ground at this back corner, and the little jack doesn't reach the ground. And the little jack is not in very good shape, so I just put that in there and used that in this place. So it does need this little jack replaced on the back corner back here, and I would go ahead and replace both of the back ones probably, because they got drug, and this one got bent a little bit. So what's wrong with it? So why it's not working? So yeah, you're gonna need to do that. But the tank's good on the sewer tank. It's got a spare tire on the back that, according to the way it looks to me, is the original spare tire that's never been on the ground. So guys, it's what it is, just a 2003 honest Jayco that'll make somebody a good trailer. It's got plenty of bunks in it. You can sleep about 9 people in there if you want to pile them all in. So that'd be up to you. But yeah, that's what we got is a Jayco. You can hear the air conditioner running up on the roof there, I guess. And it needs a wash job right now. I didn't get that done. Sorry. But yeah, let me know if you're interested, and we'll sure let you own it.